Hello everyone, I hope that you're doing well. So I am drawing doodle number 10, the last number from the Covid-19 abstract art series that I've been making. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start coloring this doodle with me. Welcome back to another episode of my Starhood show. So in this episode, I'm going to paint or color the last doodle from my COVID-19 doodles. For this doodle, I have a very light and romantic atmosphere in mind. I've been inspired by the blooming trees, so I'm going to use some very light green and light pinks and those colors that I see on the blossoms. Also, I'm going to add some contrast so we can bring out all the values of this painting to the front. So let's add some more darker tones to add some value. I'm also working on a video that is called The Meanings of Color White, but I guess considering the current situations and what is happening in the world, I thought maybe it is a better idea to put that video on hold, just in case, I do not want to offend anyone. Although white stands for peace, and it's actually a neutral color, so as black. Anyway, let's not get into this kind of discussion. Let's get back to my doodling here. So I'm almost done with the background and some little things in the foreground that left. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that very fresh and light green that I've been seeing on the trees, and I'm going to use my shimmering watercolors again. As you know, I love using them, and adding this very nice shiny background. If you like this video, you might be interested to watch the other 9 doodles that I made. So I'm going to put the links of all those doodles in the description box below. And please do give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and please do subscribe to my channel so you can watch my next videos. And as always, thank you so very much for watching.